Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, let's talk about an old numerals system in East Asia. But first of all, we need to go back to see the cover of this video. This is a part of an old train station about 100 years ago in China, in Beijing. And in this photo, we can see that there are some weird symbols in the milestones. According to our experience in life, these symbols in the milestones should be the numbers. But those symbols in the photo do not look like the common numerals which we can see in our life. So are those symbols the Chinese characters? After all, this is an old station in China. But those symbols aren't look like to be the numerals of Chinese characters as well. Compared with those symbols in the photo, they may not be the same text. In order to try to know the symbols. But firstly, we have to know a calculation tool in old Chinese mathematics. The counting rod. The Chinese name is Suàn chóu. Now we still can't know when the people started to use counting rod in the earliest time. But we can know the history of counting rods is really old, at least 2000 years, just like this. This is the counting rod in the Han Dynasty, and then, as one part of the East Asian cultural sphere, the counting rod also transmissioned to Japan, and in history, the ancient Japanese also used counting rods to complete some math questions. The counting rod expresses the number by arranging and moving the rods. When we watch the list, we will know how to use the counting rods to express numerals. We can find that this is likely similar with the samples of the photo in the cover of this video. As mentioned, the counting rods express the numerals by arranging and moving the rods. And the counting rods are actually rods, obviously. So it is not very convenient to write those numerals on the paper. Plus, the ancient Chinese or Japanese, including Korean, they always used the brush pen. In Chinese it's 毛笔 to write text on the paper. In addition, the counting rods also have two kinds of system. They are vertical and horizontal. So it continues to increase the difficulty of writing counting rods numerals. But with the development of business in ancient China, the people increasingly needed a numerals system to record the business amount in Song Dynasty. So based on the counting rods, the Suzhou numerals, the Chinese name is Su州码子, or 花马, was building up slowly. In southern Song, one part of the Song Dynasty history, Suàn chóu had an improvement, and the initial version of Suzhou numerals were beginning to take shape, according to Suàn法统宗 of Cheng Dawei, who is a mathematician in Chinese history in 16th century of Ming Dynasty. We can see that the Suzhou numerals had been a measured numerals system, which we can see now, although Chinese characters was used still mostly. Until now, gradually instead of the Suzhou numerals, by the international modern numerals system, the Hindu-Arabic numerals, as a kind of commonly used numerals system in society, especially in traditional counting areas in China. Therefore, it always influenced the society for hundreds of years, although it almost left this history stage nowadays. Until now, in some traditional trade streets or some of the residential areas in Beijing, in Hong Kong, in Taiwan, etc., we still can see the old unique numerals, just like the cover of this video. And now we are able to know the numbers in the cover photo are 625933. Here, in order to distinguish two numbers 3, the first of number 3 need to use the vertical form and the second use the horizontal verb, because except for 1, 2, and 3, other Suzhou numerals don't have the confusion problems. So it's okay to just write directly. Now we know what these symbols are, so now how to write them. According to the Suzhou numerals list, we can know what the single numerals mean. If we want to know more complex numerals, we need to follow the rule of Suzhou numerals, just like this. The first line is the numerals, and the second line is the place value and the unit. For example, if we want to write 10.5 kilograms with the Suzhou numerals, actually it's not hard. Firstly, we need to transfer the 1, 0, and 5 to Suzhou numerals from Hindu Arabic numbers. Second step, note the place value, and this example is 10. Next is the easiest step, just write down the weight unit. Now we have finished 10.5 kilograms in Suzhou numerals, and transferring to normal numbers from Suzhou numerals is the same way. This is an example. Firstly, transform the Suzhou numerals to our numerals in life. Secondly, confirm the place value, and the rest of the empty place is 0. Finally, add the yuan, the Chinese monetary unit. Then we finished it. Okay, this is the basic rule of writing Suzhou numerals and the history of this old and impressive numeral system. I hope you can like this video. Have a good day. See you next time.